When we had our conversation, definitely ang sabi mo sa akin is you want to get parang yung vibrancy mo back.
Kasi aminin natin,
Yes,
diba? Ang dami mo nang nararamdaman.
At saka gusto mo yung elasticity ng ano.
Oo.
Yeah.
Actually, yun din ang sinabi ko sa kanya when I first went to him. Ang dami mo nang nararamdaman.
Ayun, yung all of a sudden, pag bigla kang tayo, aray ko, bakit masakit yan? Anong nangyari?
Gusto ko din malaman yung mga iba bang main maintenance, okay ba na pagsabayin ba yun?
Na, sinabi ko yan sa kanya kasi may maintenance ako.
Tanong natin si Ate Jux kasi si Ate Jux matagal na eh.
Ako, ano feel ko sa peptides? Kasi
Yeah.
kakain ka. Tapos minsan pag kumakain ka yung, bakit ganun? Busog na ako.
Ganyan siya palagi.
Meron ba for back pains, for ganyan?
Yung mga ganyan, pains
Yung mga sa tuhod-tuhod.
Oh, definitely meron. Yung photo namin, there's always a peptide for something. Usually.
Baka pwede pang tumangkad.
Kailangan din ni Doc.
Kailangan ko rin
Ah,
nun.
hindi pa-
Kung meron nun, ginamit ko na yan.
Ay, hindi pala.
Meron kami isang peptide na nag-i-improve ng emotional connection. So may mga marriage na kaming na-save dahil sa peptide.
Oh, grabe to ah.
Sabi ko nga po, hormones na naman yan.
Hormones yan!
Yung hormones na yan.
yan.
Naku, talaga naman.
Hi!
Welcome to
Wala pa kaming title!
I'm Carmina.
Janice,
Candy.
Jelly.
Naku, may guest
our
tayo.
special guest for today.
Okay.
May intriga kayong lahat. May excite ang mga girls. Di ba?
Feeling ko na kasi ako excited na.
Me excited na.
Tsaka,
Curious.
intrigue ako.
Wait, girls
Yes.
lang excited?
No, I think even the
I think lahat din. Lahat din.
Okay.
Oo. Okay, from Synergy PH, we have here Dr. Dino Reyes.
Hi, Doc!
Hello, hi everybody.
Let's start with peptides. Because apparently, peptides ang pinaka-focus
Lately, no?
ng lately ng lahat. And of course, ang synergy.
Yeah.
Kasi parang diyan kayo nakilala eh.
Tama.
Eto na, ano ba yung peptides at ano ba ang nagagawa nito sa katawan? Kasi usually peptides, diba sa skincare?
Sa skincare natin nararamdaman.
So, okay,
So,
go.
what's peptides ba?
So in peptide therapy or in clinical peptide therapy, when we say peptides, ano ba ibig sabihin namin yun? Peptides are these small chains of amino acids, big science word, pero ang ginagawa lang nila is they communicate between your cells. So if ever wondered how your cells tell each other what to do, peptides yun.
Uy, alam mo ba, ito ang nangyari.
Sabi nung isang cell. Sabi nung isang cell sa isang cell, mare. Mukhang ano ka na, ha?
Okay.
Pagod ka na, kailangan mo ng ganito.
Exactly, ganun siya. So, peptides, meron na tayong peptides sa katawan natin.
Okay.
Lahat, usually yung GLP-1, meron ka na yan sa katawan mo, BPC, GHKCU, lahat sila sa katawan mo na yan. But as you get older,
Nawawala din.
nawawala siya, kumukonte, and through stress or bad diet, bad lifestyle, you lose it.
And when you lose it, what happens?
Aging, ganon, and everything that comes with it. So what we do with peptide therapy is we want to give you back things that you've lost. I have over more than 50 peptides on my tool belt. Each one does a very specific thing. So, for example, my peptides for weight loss, my peptides for muscle building, for anxiety. Ginagawa nun, when a peptide attaches to a receptor, it will activate biochemical processes sa katawan mo. Basically, we tell your body, gawin mo to. This peptide, gawin mo to.
Inutusan niya. So ito, depende ito sa needs ng bawat tao.
Definitely.
So it varies. What peptides you need doesn't
Yeah.
necessarily
Yeah.
mean
Na kailangan
same
ko.
thing that she needs.
Exactly.
How do you know what you need?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's my
Blood
job.
test.
Yeah, yun yung job ko. So, to a few, I've been able to talk to. I've had the pleasure of talking. And di ba, if naalala niyo paano tayo nag-start?
Yeah.
Kung nasabi ko, gusto mo muna kita makilala. Like, tell me about yourself.
So lifestyle, ganyan ba?
Lifestyle, age, what's your diet, what's your workout, and then syempre your goals.
Okay.
And then during our consult, we put
Okay.
all of that together and then gagawa ka ng plano. And sabihin ko, ito yung peptides para sa mga goals mo. Ito yung mga peptides that might help you in your life.
And how are those peptides ingested or put in
Ano
your
ba
body?
orally? Do you take this? Do you inject?
So, most peptides, kailangan talaga nilang ma-inject. No?
Ma-inject.
Subcutaneously, meaning sa taba lang, usually sa
Okay.
bilbil. Pero sobrang liit nga lang, so it's really not...
You can do it yourself?
Yes.
We encourage you to do it yourself para ma-empower din natin yung mga patients
And
natin.
how
Yeah.
often do you need to put the
Depende sa peptide. Some peptides
Depende
once
sa
a week,
kailangan mo.
some peptides
May everyday ba?
some
Oh.
peptides every other
So
day.
it depends on what you need.
Exactly.
Actually, kanina, sabi ko sa kanya kanina, Doc, patapos na ako sa ganito ko. What do we do next? Sabi niya sa akin, what do you need?
Yes. Usually, ganun lang yan.
Nice. Talagang
Tailored for you.
talaga for you.
Your
So,
lifestyle, your
nice.
needs.
Okay, so ikaw, Mama Kens, ano na yung...
Yung binigay niya sa akin.
Oo, yung first mo.
Yung first niya sa akin is for skin. Am I right?
Tama. So, when we had our conversation, definitely, ang sabi mo sa akin is, you're getting into that age, yung
Yeah.
perimenopausal space, which
Yes,
a lot of women are entering.
Oh, yeah.
So, you want to get parang yung vibrancy mo back. That's not just yung skin mo, but also your energy. Sabi
Yes,
mo,
yeah.
hectic yung
Kulang pa
schedule
ba
mo.
yung energy?
Baka nakukulangan kayo eh. Oh.
So, yeah. So, what we gave you is, we call it Close Stack. So, it's a combination of 4 different peptides, which has the GHKCU for yung skin and hair and collagen.
Ay, gusto ko yung hair. Tsaka yung collagen.
Tapos,
Sandali lang po, Doc, mga ingitero.
That's 2 more peptides for repair for your tissues and bones. Yung internal health, that's
Yes.
your BPC-157 and your thymosin beta-4. And then KPV, which is one of our best anti-inflammatory peptides. So all of those together, tawag namin doon ay yung close stack. Which I also gave to you.
Tapos na ako. That's my first
Okay,
close
Doc, yung kay Mama Kens, is it just one injection or is it like sessions na parang you have to take it for like a month?
Papaano siya
So yung
gagamitin?
specifically for the close stack, ang usual run ko dyan is every other day. And then I usually run my patients on about like a 3 to 4 month program. But it really depends. So some people might need it more, some people might need it less, and it depends on their
So paano namin malalaman na
It's
oh,
working.
Doc, okay na ako sa 4 months? Or
Yun, jump ko ulit yun. Ha? So, so that's why ang peptide therapy, hindi siya yung parang mga ibang gamot na bigay lang tapos
Yeah,
forget
finish.
tayo.
Oo.
okay,
Yeah.
but how do you check it? Through blood test?
Lab tests are very important. We also, pero they're not like the only important thing. Very important is ang feedback. So I do end up developing very close relationships with my with my patients. Because we talk all the time.
Eto na, magkakaroon tayo ng group chat.
Pwede.
Question. So when you do the lab test, do you do it there sa Synergy or do you go elsewhere and then bring the tests?
So Synergy was designed to be a purely telehealth platform. We really wanted it to be just online. So we do have partnerships with like laboratories. Ang favorite laboratory ko is Singapore Diagnostics because they make it easy to facilitate home service.
Oh.
Pwedeng pagkatapos ng consultation, bibigyan lang kita ng request.
Request
And then
form.
you can do that on your own, or if you want to do it via home service, we can coordinate that for you.
Galing.
So paano kanila makukontakt?
Synergy.ph, we have a website. We have presence on most social media platforms. You can find us on Facebook, on TikTok, on IG. Yeah, so just type it down. Funny lang yung spelling niya is SEE.
Ito,
This
one there.
Scene.
So maybe we can post on the baba.
Synergy.
Or ito ba, mas kita yan.
Ayan.
Kasi nga, makikita mo yung result. Kaya,
See energy.
Yeah.
O, tanong natin si Ate Jux kasi si Ate
Is it
Jux matagal na eh.
Exactly. Ano yung effect sa'yo?
Oo. Ano yung mga nagawa na sa'yo? Ano yung mga pinalagay na sa'yo?
Clomix. Yan yung unang-una ko, Clomix.
Yung parang kay Mama Kens.
Yes, at saka
Okay.
Retatutide. Retatutide, alam na natin, pampaganda na katawan yan, di ba?
Papasexy.
Yeah,
Natuwa ako sa mga pangalan.
Yeah.
Ratatutay.
Actually, hindi sexy mga pangalan nila. I wish they had better names. Pero
Ratatutay. Kasi usually, di ba ang ginagawa ng ibang mga doctors, lalo na pang
Bibigyan nila ng name.
bibigyan nila ng
Yes.
Serenity.
Oo,
Mga ganyan. Mga, ito kasi natatawa. Rejuvenation.
Retatutide.
So, si Ratatutay ay pampapayat. At nakikita naman natin pumapayat si Janice.
Yeah.
Reta, yun yung parang mini name namin, Reta. Siya yung bago sa generation of yung mga famous weight loss peptides ngayon, like yung semaglutide, tirzepatide, all of those are actually peptides, yung mga very famous right now. They're all peptides, and Reta is the up-and-coming new one. It's definitely still in its experimental stages, patapos pa lang yung phase 3.
Okay.
But under physician-guided protocols, like what you can get from ours, we can talk about if this is the right plan for you.
Okay, I'm sure may mga nagtatanong, safe ba to, Doc?
Yun.
Meron ba tong mga side effects?
Yes, may side effects.
Lalo yung ibang i-inject ngayon, maraming
Marami.
mga side effects.
Gusto ko din malaman yung mga iba bang may maintenance, okay ba na pagsabayin niyo ba yung
Sinabi ko yan sa kanya kasi
Kasi
may
may
maintenance
maintenance
ako.
So yun nga, no? So actually medyo madami ang mga peptides. May mga nakita ko nabibili lang to online and ganon.
Oo,
So it
nakita
does
ko
cause
yun.
me a lot of anxiety as a doctor because each of these peptides have their own protocols. Yung mga pwede bang gamitin together with other meds,
Right.
bawal ba? So kailangan talaga meron kang physician guidance para masabi kasi
Oo.
ako as a peptide specialist, kailangan memorize ko lahat ng
Right.
50 na yan. Paano sila gumagana, ano ba yung interaction.
And there's a danger na if you just buy from anywhere else, baka
Baka
might
fake.
affect your
Exactly.
health.
Oo,
And
and by that,
and it could be fatal or it could
Because
cause
the dosage is also
severe
important.
damage.
At malay mo fake pa yun. Hindi pa natin.
Yeah,
So-
it could cause severe damage sa katawan
Right,
and it could be forever.
Generally, all of them are safe. We have a lot of protocols from like the International Peptide Societies, yung mga
Okay.
mentors ko who have been doing this for 20 years in the US and
Oh,
Australia.
okay.
So hindi naman siya parang wala kaming alam.
Yeah.
Matagal
Well-studied
na
naman.
siya, well-studied siya, pero bagong-bago pa lang talaga siya. Ngayon, people are more responsive to like, for example, stem cells. Pero 10 years ago, ganito rin yung conversation, parang natatakot.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes,
true.
yes, yes,
That's
yes.
true.
So, kaya nga, ang pinaka-important dito is kailangan physician-guided,
Yeah.
personally tailored for your health, and transparent on all aspects of providing this therapy.
Okay, this is the very important question. How affordable is this?
So, it depende talaga. May mga peptides kasi na very affordable, like yung mga weight loss peptides, since the market is competitive, you gotta make that affordable. Like yung mga semaglutide ngayon are very, very affordable.
What's a semaglutide?
That's the first generation of the weight loss peptides, of the GLP-1s.
So, pag tiniki yun, Doc, sorry, let me just cut you. Pag tiniki yun, ano yung mafe-feel mo? Ano ba to, appetite suppressant ba to?
Specifically for that
Yes,
peptide.
yes.
So for the GLP-1 peptides, and to put it simply, yung most powerful effect nila is actually in the satiety center of your brain, the part of your brain in charge of making you feel full.
Mhm.
So it really just helps you eat when you're actually
Hungry.
when you're actually hungry. So natatanggal nga yung parang yung mga cravings, mga ganon.
right.
But it's not just that. Kasi madami ng appetite suppressants for a very long time. But what makes it different is it affects the other parts of your body involved in metabolism. So yung insulin resistance,
Interesting,
liver,
no?
processed sugar,
That's so
even your GI tract. So mas holistic siya. Kaya mas
Ano yung GI
gumagana.
tract?
intestines natin.
Okay po.
Siya, your intestines, so all of those things. Very
Grabe,
important.
no? Ang
Iba
dami
na
pa rin pala. They're all
science
connected. They're all
Yes, they're all
connected.
connected.
And that's how this helps.
Definitely.
Yeah. Pinag-uusapan natin yung sa weight loss lang. But
Mm-mm.
aside from the weight loss, we always hear peptides in conjunction with skincare.
Yeah, yun ang sinabi ko sa kanya because of pre-menopause na,
Oo.
anong kailangan ko. Kaya ako sa kanya. Kasi aminin natin,
Yes,
diba?
oo.
Diba? Ang dami mo nang nararamdaman.
At saka gusto mo yung elasticity ng ano.
Oo. Yung
Mga ganyan.
dating
Oo.
plump,
Actually, yun din ang sinabi ko sa kanya when I first went to him. Ang dami mo nang nararamdaman.
Ayun, ang dami ko nararamdaman. Yung all of a sudden, pag bigla kang tayo, aray ko, bakit masakit yan? Anong nangyari?
Oo, oo, oo.
Bakit?
oo, ba't ang hirap
Masakit
mag-inat?
na. Ba't hindi naman masakit yung dati pag ginagawa ko
Then that's a story na narinig ko palagi sa mga women patients ko. Automatic pag may narinig kang ganun, may flowchart na ako sa ulo ko. So what would be the best peptide to give to you? And I gave to you guys both is the GHKCU. So famous siya as a skin and hair peptide. And to put it simply,
Yun yung una natin, ha?
pwede. So paano siya gumagana? It actually modulates over 4,000 different genes all involved with collagen synthesis, elastin synthesis. Para madali ko ma-explain sa patients ko, sinasabi ko, tino-turn on niya lahat ng genes that are good. Mga VEGF, mga ganun, for more blood vessels. Tapos tino-turn off niya yung mga bad genes. Example like interleukin 6 or tumor necrosis alpha. Yun naman yung mga inflammatory cytokines. So both of those natatakal niya. Combine that with other peptides and you really do get better or really good results. So for skin and hair, yun ang pinaka-famous, GHKCU.
Meron ba for back pains, for ganyan?
Yung mga ganyan, pains
Yung
sa
mga sa
katawan.
tuhod-tuhod.
Ganyan, mga ganun ba?
Definitely meron. Yung photo namin, there's always a peptide for something, usually ganun. So, aches and pains, that is your BPC 157 and thymosin beta 4 usually, which is parte na nung close up mo.
Close up.
Siguro ang una ko kasing binigay na dosing sa'yo ay for your skin.
Yeah.
Pero if you're telling me na hindi pa siya natatamaan in yung mga aches and pains mo, kung kulang pa, pwede natin siya taasan. So,
Kakaisa pa lang, Doc. Kakaisa ko pa lang.
Usap tayo in 2 weeks. Let me know.
Question. So, what's this?
Nakalimutan mo na.
Ang galing mo, nakalimutan ko.
Alam ko na, kasi nakita ko na sa Facebook.
friend.
So meron tayong peptides for memory.
Okay, we love that. Yes.
Kailangan niya.
Doc, question, pwede ba pagsabayin yung sa hair and memory?
So again, yun nga, that's where you really need like the expertise of a peptide.
Pwede bang cocktail yung ganun?
We call it stacks. Minatawag namin na peptide stack pag multiple peptides ang
So,
pinapatong mo. Pwede, pero you really need to have it designed na maayos siya. Some peptides kasi they might do the same thing. So
Okay.
it wouldn't be a good idea to stack them. Some peptides maybe hindi sila pwedeng ipagsabay.
Dapat solo-solo
So,
lang.
depende talaga. So that's
Okay.
customized for someone.
Meron din ba pang yung insomnia?
Sleep peptides, depende. Is your problem with hindi ka nakakatulog
Yes.
or nakakatulog ka pero interrupted siya or both? So pag epitalon, para madali ka makatulog.
Nag-epitalo na pala ako.
Tapos pag
Epitalo.
Ang daming possibilities.
Can I have your number?
Siyempre.
Me also, I'll get your number. I think magagawa na tayong group chat.
My gosh, kailangan ko yan yung insomnia, yung for hair, yung for skin.
Memory.
Memory pwede pa. O sige
naman.
Pero mas kailangan ni Jelly yun. Oo, bigay natin kay Jelly.
Let's say if you have ulcer or
Yung acid
reflux.
Meron din,
Oo.
meron din.
Okay, Doc, meron din ba for anxiety?
Yes, definitely. And nasal spray siya. Tawag namin sa kanya is silang. Ano ba? Spray on your name. And then it goes straight to your brain. Activates yung mga GABA, involved
GABA,
na
oo.
neurotransmitters to just keep you mellow, keep you chill.
Okay,
Take off
bakit
your-
spray? Ba't hindi injection?
Kasi meron kang part dito sa nose mo tawag crepiform plate na pagka diretso yun sa brain mo.
So it acts faster.
Yeah.
It's faster. Ito na yung question. Ito na.
Natandaan mo na.
Guys,
Kapits, I love it.
Ang galing.
thank you.
Presence pala niya.
Naka-presence pala ako.
Hindi acting yan, Jelly.
Hindi acting. Nakalimutan ko
Bilis na.
Bisa mo na makalimutan
Ang
mo.
tanong ko ay how soon
Mhm.
do you see result?
Depende for peptides. So for example, yung mga weight loss peptides, I usually try to be conservative. I tell my patients it will kick in about like week 3 or 4 and then expect like 1 kg a week after that.
Once it kicks in, diretso.
Pero very important to note is peptides are signaling molecules. Pag binigay namin siya sa'yo, it will really help you get results. But, for example, wala kang inayos sa lifestyle mo, you still don't fix your
Yung
diet.
tinulungan
Hindi pa-
siya.
Hindi siya end all be all
Hindi siya magic
cure.
potion.
Oo, hindi siya magic, guys.
Oo.
Ako ano feel ko sa peptides. Kasi
Ayan.
kakain ka. Tapos minsan pag kumakain ka yung, bakit ganun? Busog na ako.
Ganyan siya palagi. Ngayon, lately, sabi niya, gusto nito. Dati naman, uubos niya.
Ngayon hanggang tikim-tikim na lang.
Pero pa ako order ako ng food kasi gusto ko. Pag andyan na, natikman ko na,
Ayaw na.
ikaw na busin mo na.
Exactly.
Pinapamigay mo na.
Ako, dati ang aking weakness is like yung chocolate bar. Kunyari ganun.
That's my
Kunyari,
weakness.
Cadbury.
Mm.
Dati ubus ko yun, isa. After
Oh,
dinner.
wow.
Ngayon, isang ganun lang, okay na ako. After dinner, okay na.
It's just the taste.
Oh, so
na.
you still get to eat. Another thing I want to clarify, and I tell a lot of my patients, eating is good. May mga patients kasi ako who get really good parang hunger suppression early on, pero as they lose their visceral fat, wala na silang reserves. So nagugutom na sila ulit. Mas natatakot sila, Doc, nagugutom na ulit ako. Sabi ko, okay kumain. Dapat kumakain ka. Just make sure na yung portions ay
Oh, yung tama lang.
modulated.
Yeah.
Which is what the
Right.
weight loss peptides do. A lot of heavy lifting for you to be able to do.
So meron din parang nagbi-build ng muscles.
Oo, meron din
Meron
sabi
din.
ko.
So let's say you work out, you're an athlete, pwede rin yan.
Pwede rin. Those are my growth hormone secretagogue peptides like CJC or Moralin. So madami talaga.
Baka pwede pang tumangkad. Pwede pa
Ayun na nga, eh, gusto ko lang gusto ko.
wala pa.
Kailangan din ni Doc.
Kailangan ko rin na.
Hindi pala yan.
Kung meron nun, ginamit ko na yan.
Ay, hindi pala. Doon lang tayo sa performance level ng katawan.
Oo, basta kung ano yung meron natin, parang mas, I think, in-enhance na
Lalo
siya,
pa
or
sa-
dinadagdagan.
Lalo pa sa age natin, I heard na kailangan natin
Muscle building.
muscle building,
Tama.
di ba?
True.
Muscle building. So,
That is true.
Yun yung actually another secret. So a lot of people who like get on these peptides and then kung na-achieve na nila yung weight loss goal nila, they want to stop. Pwede yun.
Mm.
Pero one of the advice that I give para to keep the weight off is to build your lean body mass.
Okay, question. Pag nag-stop ka, babalik ba?
I usually have like 3 kinds of patients. So rebound weight gain and rebound hunger is very well documented sa clinical peptide therapy. How do you keep it off?
Okay.
Kung tinuring mo yung peptides na parang crutch, tapos nag-rely ka lang sa kanya 100%, pag tinanggal ko na yung gamot,
Yeah.
babalik siya. Pero if you treat the peptides like training wheels and really fix your relationship with food,
Lifestyle talaga,
fix your lifestyle, get more active, then even kung tinanggal ko na siya, you can
Yeah.
Maintain it.
maintain and keep the weight. It's a little bit harder, syempre, because you don't have that help.
Yeah.
Pero mukhang mas gusto mong ganon, pwede.
I'm sure pinakasasabi mo, isasagot niya sa akin yung pampapayat. Kasi tatanong ko sa kanya, anong pinaka bestseller na
I guess
peptides?
it's the weight loss.
I think it's the weight
At saka yung
loss.
beautification.
Definitely those two for a lot of people. Pero depende nga sa tao eh. So, for example, weight loss and skin peptides really, really popular for common everyday Filipino. Pero for example, mga CEOs, sobrang important sa kanila yung
Stress.
the cognitive peptides, ganon, yung mga athletes mo who want to be really at their top performance. That's why very personalized.
So can you say that peptides really it's an enhancing, helpful tool?
Yes.
That's
for
inherently
us.
what they are. That's
So
what they
is,
do.
wala siyang curing factor, but more enhancing, helping.
Repairing.
Sa ngayon, since sobrang bago niya pa nga, hindi namin kayang magsabi that this is a cure. We can say this will help. But I am managing some patients, for example, cancer patients who have decided not to go into chemo.
Okay.
There are peptide protocols for that. And we're successful naman in like a lot of my patients.
I'm sure it will be more studied
Yeah.
and there will be
Wow.
more opportunities.
Hindi siya replacement talaga. That's what we
It's
want
not
to
a
clarify. It's not a replacement for conventional medicine, pero it might be something you want to explore if it's right for you.
And especially if it's preventive, diba?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, preventive.
Tama.
And to
Preventive.
enhance whatever you have. Let's say if you have, like I said kanina, yung arthritis, it can actually help with
Yes.
the pain.
Mm-mm.
Can
Right.
it help with the pain?
Definitely. Have you been experiencing less body
Yes.
pains? Oh, let's
Yes.
Perfect.
Not for
Less.
frozen shoulder,
Yes.
atrophy, yung mga ganyan.
Healing. It helps with faster healing.
Faster healing.
Saka yung sleep, importante yung sleep
Yeah.
if it can help you with sleep.
May help ba siya sa diabetes?
That is your weight loss peptides. They were initially studied for diabetes. And
Pati
that's,
siguro yung high blood, no?
exactly.
blood?
That's where we learned na hindi lang pala siya pang diabetes. We can use it for like other lifestyle diseases.
Yung may mga mataas ang kolesterol. yung
Ayan na nga. So marami pala.
Dami no.
Sa mga kabataan, like young kids, I mean, are there peptides?
For early 20s, kaya pa. Pero since they're very new nga, we're a little bit
Hesitant.
more careful to deal with kids. But if ever, like some parents really do want to explore it with their children and then they want to co-manage it with their pedia,
Yeah.
pwede na naman natin pag-usapan and see what we can do about it.
So,
The possibilities
so-
are endless. with
So, gusto niyo
peptides.
sabihin ni Doc dito, let's not assume na talagang they're giving it, but we can sit down with the pedia.
Oo.
Diba?
So with the doctor.
Yeah, pedia to pedia. Pedia to doctor na usapan
Parang
dito.
get work hands
So yung mga napapanood niyo, nababasa niyo sa mga online na you can buy, na available, you gotta be careful. Always make sure na physician-guided
Yeah.
ang
Yes.
inyong peptide journey.
Yeah.
Ayun ang ano nila eh. They're very with that. So, when I started, feeling ko parang pwede naman, ito lang naman ang kailangan ko eh. Pero hindi, I had to talk to him.
And the way we make sure that the peptides we give are safe, guys, we work with FDA certified compounding pharmacies that have additional actions of sterile and non-sterile compounding. So ano yan, it's all up and up, all legal. They have the paperwork to make sure na yung product na nabibigay namin ay A+. Perfect.
Okay.
It's really holistic.
Oo.
Yes.
So wala talaga tong side effects.
It really depends on the peptide. So each peptide will have its own share of side effects. For example, yung mga GLP-1s nga, it can give you GI tract problems, so pwedeng constipation, diarrhea, flatulence, but it's usually dose dependent.
Okay.
So
Yes.
yun nga yung natanong ko sa
Pag masyadong malakas yung dosage.
Okay, ano lang naman natin.
Kasi I'm sure yun din yung mga itatanong nila. Kasi meron may mga paranoid, may mga, di ba, before they take something or before they inject something, may side effects ba?
Lalo na yung
Hilo ba ako?
injection itself.
Oo, may hilo factor ba to? Ayun ba, constipate
Oo.
ba?
Aside
Masusuka
from the
ba ako?
injectables, Doc, meron pa bang ibang ways?
Yes. So we have peptides that are nasal sprays, kaya
Yeah.
nung banggit ko kanina. May mga onting peptides na napag-aralan ng enough na alam nilang pwedeng gamitin orally. Tapos meron rin kaming peptides na cream or topical.
Topical.
So meron GHKCU na kaya namin ipagawa into a cream.
Okay.
Yung may melasma, yung ganon.
Pwede minsan. So we really have to talk about it. But it's really more about the collagen, elasticity, CM.
So,
Pero
mas maganda rin from
Oo.
with it.
So, Doc, yung mga nakikita namin sa mga skincare na may mga peptides.
Oo. Anong kwento
Ano
doon?
yun? Effective yun? Totoo yun?
Meron kasing delineation of which peptides are pharmaceutical grade, meaning gamot, and which peptides are cosmetic grade. So may mga peptides naman na cosmetic grade. And for example, something that is a peptide that people don't know is a peptide is glutathione. That is a peptide, technically.
Ang
But
glutathione pala
would you
is
say that
peptide.
glutathione is kind of abused also?
Yung mga mentors ko in the US have told me how jealous they are of being able to practice in the Philippines. Because, for example, glutathione is actually a very, very useful tool for anti-aging and longevity. Pero it's a lot more highly regulated in the US.
Oh.
If my mentors could give glutathione as liberally dito na ginagawa sa Philippines, they would probably be open
Do
to that.
so.
Oo, kung tama sa patient.
That's true kasi very strict sila doon. Actually,
Yeah.
even yung mga sunblock, sunscreens na ginagawa sa Asia are apparently so better pa pala because of FDA approval.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because of their guidelines over there sa North
Mas
America.
strict. So,
Mas strict, very strict, yeah.
Kaya miles and leaps and bounds na ang advancement ng
Yes.
Asian skincare.
So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin is, if you think peptides are right for you, and you want to explore it,
Marami ba nagpe-peptide? Marami na bang peptides?
ngayon, not doctors na trained,
Yeah.
dumadami na, definitely, as of the fourth quarter last year. Actually, I am the president of the Philippine Peptide Society.
Wow!
Ilan ang members? Ilan ang members mo, Doc?
Ay, madami na. Di ko alam yung last bilang.
Okay.
Pero,
Doc, paano ka napunta sa ganyang line? Sa ganyang field? Bakit peptide?
Oo nga, kasi bilang bago
Oo,
yan.
why?
Oh, bakit peptide?
may hindi ako mag-aaral. And ang peptides kasi is very biochem heavy. On my personal experience, naghanap ako ng more long-term benefits for my patients with like,
At safe.
at safe. Tama. Oo.
Oo.
So, Doc, ano talaga, before peptides, what did you specialize?
So my initial specialization actually was in sexual health. Pero ang part nun is ang hormone replacement therapy.
So, ibang klaseng interview naman yun.
Ano yung sexual health naman?
So anything involved in improving sex, not just yung mga sakit, pero like giving people better sex lives. Kasama nga doon ang hormones. So mga perimenopausal or menopausal women with their hormone replacement
They're all
therapy.
connected talaga.
Yun yung nag-connect actually. Kasi longevity pa rin ang testosterone replacement therapy and hormone replacement therapy. Doon yung
Yung
pasok mo.
hormones, nagahari talaga yan ang katawan natin.
Yes.
Nagahari talaga yan ang katawan natin.
Oh,
Yung
Yan.
hormones
Tsaka-
na yan.
tsaka
Hormones na yan. Nagkakos ng away yan.
Asan ba natatagpuan niya si hormones na yan?
Pagdurusa. So if they are interested, what is the first step aside from going, of course, to Synergy? So parang ganito, do they go online?
Yeah.
Do they go to your clinic? What's the first step?
Check online.
Yeah, definitely just check online.
Check
We
online.
try to make this as convenient and seamless as possible for everybody. Just hop on any of our socials, on our website, book a consultation, and we'll take care of you.
So how do you prioritize which peptides to give?
Oo.
Right
Ako,
at
ang
once.
dami.
Kasi
Kunyari ako, ang dami kong gusto, ang dami kong
Yeah.
gusto. Oo.
Ang daming goals.
Excited.
Paano malalaman ko ano yung priority? Kumbaga.
Ako sa practice ko, definitely kasi most of these problems are sourced from lifestyle. So usually, ang pinaka-inaayos namin is yung major lifestyle-related peptides like the weight loss peptides or maybe the anxiety peptides. I-tier namin yan. Tutulungan namin to make your decision. Kunyari, depende rin sa budget mo. Ito lang yung budget mo, then ito yung pinaka-important para sa'yo.
Okay.
So, available ka
Sa'yo
pagkatapos
memory.
nito.
Pwede naman.
Tinatanong ko kung available siya para mapag-consult na tayo, di ba?
Baka kayo na. Right na.
Ito, memory ha. Memory.
Memory. Oo.
Yeah.
Meron na akong ano.
Oo. Alam ko na rin yung sa'yo. Alam ko na rin yung
Ay,
sa'yo.
hindi parang apat na ata.
Oo, alam ko na rin yung sa'yo.
Dahil mo na naisip, no?
Oo.
Meron kami isang peptide na nag-i-improve ng emotional connection. So may mga marriage na kaming na-save dahil sa peptide.
Oh, grabe. Grabe to ha.
So, sabi ko na ba, hormones na naman yan.
Hormones yan.
Yung hormones na yan.
yan.
Oo, talaga naman. Guys, if you're interested, pumunta lang kayo dun sa website nila. Ang dami nila. All, ano yan, diba?
Synergy.ph?
Yes.
Synergy.ph?
The spelling again, guys.
Ayan o sa ilalim.
Ayan.
Ayan,
C
ayan,
sa
sa ilalim.
ilalim.
G.
Okay.
There you
Ayan
go.
na siya. And meron naman iba doon makakausap. Baka mamaya wala ka ng time.
I
Kasi naibigay mo na sa lahat.
Siya na
Actually,
ikipag-usap.
sobrang konti na lang ng time ko, honestly. But I have like 5 excellent doctors in the team who trained very, very well. They will take care of you. We're probably hiring doctors again soon. So if anybody's interested to work for Synergy,
Hey, well,
just let us know.
Doc, thank you so much for being here. You're so
Yes,
perfect.
Thank you for the information.
Grabe dami
Thank you for
info.
educating us.
Yeah, it's so interesting and I'm quite sure yung mga nakikinig at ang manununood sa atin ngayon is very interested and can very much relate. At
Oo.
alam nyo kung anong kailangan nyo.
Oh, iba-
Reminder,
Yes, reminder.
before you go and take peptides, go see a physician.
Yes.
Yun.
Pinaka-importante.
Peptide, ano ba yun? Ano
Oo.
ginagawa? Yung
Diba,
madaming mga
narinig ko
tanong.
rin yan sa skincare eh.
Oo.
So yung mga
now we know.
yung peptides na yan, mukhang talagang hahaba pa ang buhay. Magkakaroon ng more opportunities to
Oo. Kasi
actually
ang dami niyang connect-connect.
Oo,
Oo, siya nga
connect-
yung tigasabi dun sa other cells.
Cells. Yes. Nagchichismisan nagmamarites.
Dati, hindi naman ako interesado sa cell.
Oo.
Ngayon,
Cool na siya.
kailangan ako na siya. Importante pala talaga
Ang
siya.
mga peptides na yan, ang daming letters involved. Ha? GHV, yan. Mga
Ano
dami.
Imagine mo inaaral ko yun.
Di ba?
Nahilo na nga ako.
Habang kausap ko siya, feeling ko yung chart nung chemistry ko, yung naaalala ko lahat.
lumulutang lahat.
Lumulutang lahat
Pero ano maganda kasi meron nga daw tayong peptide sa loob ng katawan. So parang hindi tayo nag-i-inject ng something
ng foreign
ng
body.
foreign
Oo.
something sa katawan natin, diba? So,
Ito yung mga bulong.
Binubuhay
Hindi
lang
injection
nila.
sa atin yung mga ibubulong
Yes.
sa mga peptides na nananakita yung na dito sa loob ng katawan
oo,
natin.
na parang, uy, umayos ka cell, ha?
Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
Now we understand.
Simplest
Thank you
way
again
to
so much.
explain.
Yes.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, Doc Dino.
Until next time, dito lang syempre sa
Wala pa kaming title!